Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing a Dior unboxing with you. I picked up a little something from the Dior Pre-Fall 2018 collection, and of course I'm super excited to share it with you guys. So let's get into the unboxing. So I popped into my Dior boutique and I was just browsing, and they had just gotten some of the pieces for the Pre-Fall 2018 collection, and they did some bags in matte black that were absolutely stunning, just mind-blowing. So I had to pop in and have a look, and I ended up walking away with a little something. This was not really a planned purchase. Usually when I purchase a handbag, it's something I've researched, I looked into, I've really thought it over. This was something that I did see on the spot and snatched it up. But when it comes to these collections, honestly, if you do see something and you have the opportunity to see something before the collections like hit all the stores, it is in your best interest to go ahead and get it, because finding it after the fact is nearly impossible. So I was told by my sales associate that there's only 10 of these pieces even available in North America. So of course, there's no real time to really mull it over and think about it. It's either you grab it up or just miss out on it. Let's get into my unboxing. So Dior's packaging is just stunning. Just the white. It's so simplistic but so beautiful. They tie the shopping bag with the Dior ribbon, some tissue paper. My receipt and all that. The associate wrote me a little note. He says, "Be chic and feel chic." And that's a little handwritten note from my sales associate. I didn't know he put that in there. Awesome. So here is the box tied with the ribbons. So gorgeous. Ribbons off. Dior's packaging is just impeccable. So beautiful. Here is the little dust bag. So I got the Diorama wallet on chain in the black on black matte, which is part of the Dior Pre-Fall 2018 collection. When you open it up, it has the cloth here. Let's just get that out. And then my chain is in here. Look at that. Let's put this on. So here it is. So the Diorama wallet on chain has been a clutch that's been on my wish list for quite some time. I was looking to get the black with the silver tone hardware. It's been on my wish list. I feel like the price point of the Diorama wallet on chain is awesome for what it is. This bag actually fits more than the small Diorama bag, the kind of mini size, which is considered a proper bag. This is considered an SLG, small leather good, whereas the small Diorama is considered a full-size handbag, even though technically it fits less than what this fits. This is the layout of a wallet on chain. So you have your card slots in there, you have a pocket, you have a front pocket, you have a zip compartment, and you have another back compartment. So you can put your phone and, a little stick down in there, no problem. It really fits all your essentials, but it is considered an SLG. So I feel like the price point of the Dior wallet on chain was awesome, which is why I wanted to add it to my collection. I did need kind of a nice clutch that I can dress up and also wear when I just want to, have something small. So this, I feel like, really fits the bill, the size of the bag. But when they showed me this black on black, it's like, this is so me, Dior. Thank you. Thank you. So here's the little hang tag, and it's calfskin leather. So here is the little tag that's inside. And so this is calfskin leather. I thought the studs were going to be too much, but because, again, everything's matte, including the hardware, it really keeps it muted, which is what I prefer. There's this way the sales associate showed me how to loop the strap. Let me see if I can do it for you. So you can loop the strap so it becomes like a handheld. That's cute, but there's an even cuter way to wear this. So basically, I can show you guys how I did this. So you wrap the straps in a way where you have the hardware. You wrap the strap in a way where you have the hardware like this, and you can wear it as a handheld clutch, and you can put your fingers right in there. You can wear it like that too. I just love the way this looks with the chain short. So if you want to wear it as a clutch, which, like I said, I need a clutch. I needed a clutch, so it's all good. I got a clutch now, and I think I really got a hot one, right? Obviously, I feel like this is a classic piece. Diorama is a classic, and I think it's so stunning in black on black. And I'm sorry, I just won't ever get sick of black on black. I just can't get sick of it. I think there's something really striking about black on black. It stands out. But it's not too showy. It's not like screaming for attention, but it really does in its own way pop, if that makes sense. It's something I love, and I think it's so chic like this. So you can take the straps off and not have any straps at all. That's what's cool about this. The straps are removable. Or you can wear it crossbody, which is also always fun. So guys, this is my unboxing and reveal of my newest addition to my handbag collection. This is my Diorama wallet on chain from the Dior pre-fall 2018 collection. Thank you guys so much for watching today. If you have any questions or comments, as always, please let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, guys.